Let's talk about improper fractions and how to convert them. When I say improper fraction, this is what I mean, like 5 over 3. Now this is improper because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Now that we have broken this model up into thirds, we count them. 3 thirds, but how many thirds do we have? We have 5 thirds. So what do we need to do? A lot of times they will want to break these into smaller pieces, and then I have to remind them it has to be thirds and it has to be equal pieces, and eventually we land on we need a second model. Now we're going to count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thirds. Now the reason why they call it improper is because a proper fraction is smaller than 1. As you can see here, we have more than 1. We have 1 whole and 2 thirds. This is just one way. What we want to do here is I tell my students we are in thirds world. Everything is a third. We're counting by thirds. 1 third, 2 thirds, 3 thirds, 4 thirds, all the way up. So we want to count by threes. When we count by threes, 3, 6, well, 6 is already bigger than 5. This would be 1 whole. This would be 2 wholes. So we have 5. So we have in between 1 and 2 wholes. It's going to be somewhere in there. Now what we want to do, so since we know that 1 whole is 3 over 3, if we pull out 3 over 3, well, how many are left? Well, 5 minus 3 would be 2 left. So we can change 5 thirds into 3 thirds plus 2 thirds, which equals 5 thirds. But we know that when the numbers match, this is actually a 1 in disguise, and this would be the answer. Another way is a number line. 3. And we can stop there because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thirds. So now we can see that it is 1 and 2 thirds. This is another way. This is another way for kids who really like division. 5 over 3 equals 5 over 3, or 5 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 one time. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract 2, numerator, denominator. That works too. But this is the long division way because all fractions are division. This is through a number line. This is through number bonds. We're going to break this down into whole numbers. We're going to count by threes. And then this is through drawing models. Which way do you prefer? Or do you solve it another way that I didn't show? Let me know.